standing right next to the on-ramp of a 7-lane highway. Right in front of me is Condado. Behind me is Santurce and the Art Museum. Everything in Puerto Rico is art. Look at this, right in the middle of the road. And here, ceiba trees in full bloom. That's what the red is. And look at this. This is, as I said, this is the Art Museum here, which was originally a hospital. I'm not quite sure what this concrete thing is. It might have something to do with the parking garage underneath. But look at that. Look at that bird. See, that's how graffiti is in Puerto Rico. My God. And here's the other side of it, which I was looking at walking across the street. I can't get too good a view of it because I'm not going to walk onto the road and get squished, but look at this. Person in a house. Girl with books. Guitar. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. There's a moon. Yeah, I guess this is parking. Yep, there's cars there. This looks like a ceiba tree with the type of leaves, but the flowers look like they're yellow. Maybe not. The ceiba tree is the national tree of Puerto Rico. You see, even along the freeway, there's art everywhere. Okay, now I'm walking towards the Art Museum. It's just a beautiful day, right in the middle of summer. Midsummer is next week, so it's the longest light. And it's also pretty hot. We haven't had rain for a while, which is why the grass looks a little brown. There's no grass here. Okay. So, this type of fern does very well. We have it around the condo building, and it's just so pretty and soft, gentle. And here we are walking into the Art Museum, which, if you look at the side, it was a hospital. And I had wondered if it was built by Dr. Ashford, but I think he died in 1934. He was mainly, well, he was everywhere, very involved in health in Puerto Rico. But I'm not sure that this is his hospital. Now, Hamilton's coming, and for $49 plus ticket fee, you can sit at the very remotest place and watch it. And if you want to spend $250 plus ticket fee, you could probably actually be a little closer to the stage. And I see that the local government is spending $1.64 million on the theatre, Bella's Arts, which is just around the corner, for a gasoline generator, so that rich people can watch Hamilton. The minimum wage here is the federal minimum wage. It's pretty awful, and the cost of living is about twice as high as in New Jersey. So I don't know how anyone's surviving. Okay, this is Susanna J. Dodgson, June 16th, 2023.